How to leave a league on Fantasy Premier League. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Premier League application on your device and make sure you are signed in. Now, tap on the fantasy option on the bottom of your screen and you will see a bunch of options here. Now, in order to leave a league, scroll down to Leagues and Cups tab you see there at the bottom and then tap on the configure leagues option you see there. Further, in this particular interface, you will be able to view all the leagues and cups that you have joined or you have created. So scroll down to the league that you want to leave and you will see the arrow-like icon there right beside the league that you want to leave. So tap on the arrow-like icon beside the league that you want to leave and you will then see the option for yes, I want to leave this league. So tap on the yes, I want to leave this league option you see there, and with this, if you refresh this page, you will see that you have left the league successfully. So, this was about how you can leave a league on Fantasy Premier League. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.